Municipalities generate vast amounts of data related to taxes, utilities, and public services. To make informed decisions, this data must be accurate, organized, and easily accessible. Incomplete records, inconsistent data formats, and manual reporting often make it difficult for municipalities to analyze revenue, monitor performance, and plan future growth effectively. To address these challenges, Blackoffer developed a solution that combines data cleaning, revenue modeling, and interactive Power BI dashboards to transform raw municipal data into actionable insights. The platform cleans and standardizes data from multiple sources, builds revenue models to identify trends and opportunities, and presents key metrics through interactive Power BI dashboards for real-time analysis. Key features include automated data cleaning, revenue modeling and forecasting, interactive Power BI dashboards, real-time performance monitoring, centralized data analytics, actionable business insights. The solution improves data quality, enhances financial visibility, supports data-driven planning, and enables municipalities to make faster and more informed decisions.